Hey there, productivity warriors! Ever feel like your workday vanishes but your to-do list barely moves? Today, I'm breaking down a simple science-backed time management method that could completely change the way you work. It's called the Pomodoro Technique. And no, it's not a new type of pasta. What is the Pomodoro Technique? Developed by Francesco Cirillo back in the late 1980s, the Pomodoro Technique is named after a tomato-shaped kitchen timer he used while studying. The idea is super simple and incredibly effective. Here's how it works. Choose a task you want to focus on. Set a timer for 25 minutes. This is called 1 Pomodoro. Work with laser focus until the timer rings, no distractions allowed. Take a short 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. Why does it work? This technique taps into the psychology of urgency and rewards. When you know you only have 25 minutes, your brain flips a switch. Less procrastination. More focus. Built-in breaks to avoid burnout. It also helps you break big tasks into manageable chunks. Measure your productivity in Pomodoros, not endless hours. Real-world pro tip. Want to supercharge the Pomodoro technique? Use apps like Focus To Do, pomofocus.io, or a simple kitchen timer. Batch similar tasks in 1 Pomodoro block. Log how many Pomodoros it takes to finish a task. You'll quickly improve your planning. So next time you're stuck in a productivity slump, try this. 25 minutes of deep focus. 5 minutes of guilt-free scrolling, stretching, or coffee. It's that simple. The Pomodoro Technique doesn't just help you get more done, it helps you work smarter, not harder. Have you tried the Pomodoro Technique before? Tell me in the comments. Love it? We're still searching for your perfect workflow. And if you want more quick productivity hacks, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.